Purdue University is an international leader in technology transfer and startup creation. Experience Design Group, a Purdue startup, is developing an engaging and interactive way for kids with autism to improve comprehension skills. The company is dedicated to developing educational mobile applications that are designed to help people with special needs learn new or difficult skills. The company's first product, Literacy Labels, is an app that could help children with autism read, understand, and spell words in a more customized and rewarding way by using printable labels. The company was founded by Nancy Rashi, a clinical assistant professor in Purdue's Polytechnic Institute.
It's common for children with autism to tend to be very good at decoding words, but not very strong in comprehension. So we tried to design the app to fit that instructional need, and the whole idea behind it is that if we can use that early literacy skill of word recognition and labeling before they learn how to decode words, that would help them with comprehension later on.
Literacy Labels facilitates the learning of new words with an innovative technique of combing expressive and receptive language skills while scanning QR codes on printed labels. Users are able to print out a set of pre-made labels or create their own, and the child is then able to scan the QR code on the label, which will initiate the app to say the word and spell it out. The child is then able to repeat the word and move on to the next word when ready.
So one of the common things we found is that the iPad is being used a lot in the classroom for children with autism because it's a good instructional tool to help focus their attention and to help them get excited about learning. So the application has physical labels that they place on objects, and those labels have QR codes. And then the application will scan the QR code, repeat the word, it can spell the word, and then repeat it again. So for children who might be working on expressive language and speaking, it can encourage them to say these words. For children who are working on early literacy, they can get the permanence of the actual word meaning that object so that they both go together. The features inside of it allow you to create new labels. So if you wanted to create a label for a table, you could type in table, take a picture of the table with the app, and then save it. The QR code will be created by the application, and then you can email it to yourself and then print it so you can create it and put it on those objects.
Experience Design Group has licensed the technology through the Purdue Research Foundation's Office of Technology Commercialization. The company has conducted initial testing with the product and plans to further develop literacy labels and introduce a spelling component to the games. The company also hopes to develop a program that will help young adults with autism find employment.
So one other aspect of the company is to do research to see if we can help young adults with special needs find employment. Since we're a software development company, we want to see if possibly there might be a chance for young adults with autism to work in the areas of coding. That might be a strong skill. We've seen some correlation with that. We're still developing literacy labels, and that's our primary goal. But in the future, we would like to see if there's partnerships or investors that would like to work with us to achieve our long-term goals.
To find more information about this and other Purdue technologies, visit prf.org/OTC.